Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Wealthsimple cash card. Now first you need to actually activate your card. So you need to call this number to activate your Wealthsimple cash card, and you need to set up your PIN. Okay? And then of course you need to add funds to your account, so ensure that it has sufficient funds before you can actually make transactions. And then to make a purchase, you can use it at terminals by inserting or tapping it and then going ahead and selecting credit. And you can also withdraw cash from ATMs. So at an ATM, you just insert your card and select checking to withdraw funds. And if you want to access your virtual Wealthsimple cash card in the app for online purchases, or if you want to add it to your phone's digital wallet, you can do that as well with your virtual card. And in the Wealthsimple app, you can navigate to your cash accounts activity tab to view the transaction details as well. It's very that easy and simple. You can also earn cash back on eligible purchases that you make with this card. Now, if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.